And there's a breaking news coming in inside track on CBI probe as victim's diary has now been given to central agency. Kolkata police has handed over the diary now when the CBI is investigating the entire matter. And the case diary has now been handed over to the CBI. There's a breaking news coming in as we track this huge story. CBI probe as victim's diary has now been given to the central agencies. This is a 12-member team of the CBI investigating the case. The former principal of the college was questioned and he was raising questions about his own security while he was being questioned. Our colleague Bhavtosh has joined us on the broadcast. Bhavtosh, the case diary has now been handed over to the probing agency.
Yes, the case diary as well as other documents have been given to the Central Bureau of Investigation. Yesterday, the CBI has said that a team of forensic experts will carry out a psychological test and will also carry out a psychological evaluation of the prime accused in this case, Sanjay Roy. These forensic experts have reached Kolkata and will carry out the concern test on Sanjay Roy. Remember, there is only one accused who has been arrested in this case. There are several individuals who there could be other accused in this case, but we so arrested one person case. As far as the case is concerned, the Bureau of Investigation yesterday again Sandeep Ghosh, he was questioned for 11 hours. Now this was the second time he was questioned, and Central Bureau of Investigation has he will again be summoned. Yesterday, CBI team.
Bhavtosh, will get back to you. As you were pointing out, the CBI will be probing the case more thoroughly now. Now, the case diary has been handed over with all the other important evidence.